Ulavinaka everyone, my name is Anamere Denab and I'm an ECOP Officer at the Ministry of Fisheries and Marine Resources Development.
I am Surya Bogai and I'm an ECOP Officer at the Ministry of Fisheries and Marine Resources Development.
My name is Dahab Deparain and I'm one of the ECOP Officer based in Kiribati, supporting the Ministry of Fisheries and Marine Resources.
My name is Marisa Cabroa and I work at the Ministry of Fisheries and Marine Resources Development under the Geo-science Division as an ECOP Officer.
As a marine biology graduate, I am deeply grateful for the ECOP Fellowship Program, which has significantly enhanced my professional skills and capacity while enabling me to contribute to Geo-science Division at the Ministry of Fisheries and Marine Resources Development. My work has included data analysis, the establishment of a marine genetic resources research database, and other key initiatives where I have provided valuable assistance. Through this program, I have strengthened my networking abilities, particularly within government ministries, and gained a deeper understanding of sustainable development and policy mapping. Additionally, it has sharpened my research capabilities and helped me develop essential skills in communication, time management, collaboration, adaptability, problem solving, and technology use.
I am very grateful for this opportunity to be part of the ECOP placement program, where I am honored to support the insured geoscience team. This experience has provided me with significant benefits, helping to shape my career, building personal development and contributing to ocean sciences. It has also facilitated my professional growth and networking, allowing me to make a meaningful impact of ocean assessment issues.
My sincere gratitude to this ECOP opportunity, for it provides me with great insight of the work environment, striving to achieve goals and to leave a positive impact to the ministry. Fundamentally, I have gained valuable experiences as a GIS analyst. This includes GIS applications on coastal assessments, identifying areas prone to at-risk, specifically to erosion and accretion sites, marine spatial planning, and other perspectives of ocean management initiatives, such as National Ocean Database, and feeding into the national submission to the Commission with data that composes of data processing and verification.
I am really grateful for the opportunity to be part of the ECOP placement program. As an environmental management graduate, this program allows me to apply my academic knowledge in a practical setting. This program is an incredible platform to grow professionally and contribute meaningfully to the preservation of our ocean resources. The support and mentorship provided during my internship has already begun to shape my professional journey, and I am excited about the knowledge and skills that I will gain. This program has also provided opportunities to connect with experienced professionals and other ECOPs. It has also exposed me to the complexities of ocean governance, policy-making process, and has developed my research skills.
As an ECOP, I am very proud to say that I have actively been exposed to various areas, including fieldworks on seawall applications, data management and analysis using GIS, database maintenance as well, research support, and environmental monitoring for coastal erosion studies.
This ECOP opportunity also contributes to my attention to detail skills, coordination and communication, and building network. Overall, with this great opportunity, it has contributed to enhancing my career, building my skills and knowledge, and also building network. Looking forward to work collaboratively and to learn more throughout this journey.
This program is an incredible platform to grow professionally and contribute meaningfully to the preservation of our ocean resources. The support and mentorship provided during my internship has already begun to shape my professional journey, and I am excited about the knowledge and skills that I will gain.
I am truly thankful to the ECOP program for this invaluable learning experience, which has significantly contributed to my professional growth.
I am pleased to have been able to contribute to these important initiatives and play a part in this team's success.
Pinaka.
Thanks to the ECOP program sponsors, Kamdapa.
Kambesindapa.